Okay, this is not a drive safe campaign, however still related. This is a video about technologies that are making everyone's daily commute much safer. From power steering to the birth of the seatbelt, join us as we explore 10 groundbreaking car technologies from the 1950s. In the 1950s, a decade of innovation and daring dreams, the automotive world was on the brink of a revolution. This era didn't just roll out cars. It launched technologies that would set the course for the future of driving. Today, we're exploring 10 groundbreaking technologies from the 1950s that changed cars forever. Imagine cruising down a 1,950 seconds American highway, a time when the automotive industry was booming. Post-war optimism fueled a surge in car ownership, and manufacturers competed fiercely to captivate the booming market. It was during this vibrant era that some of the most pivotal car technologies were born. The revolutionary technologies. 1. Power steering. The introduction of power steering was a game changer, making vehicles easier to handle and safer for everyone on the road. Imagine trying to parallel park without it today. Invented by Francis W. Davis and commercialized by Chrysler under the name Hydroguide in the 1951 Chrysler Imperial, power steering revolutionized driving by making vehicles easier to maneuver. 2. Automatic transmission. Gone were the days of manual shifting for every driver. The automatic transmission opened up driving to a broader audience, making the experience smoother and more accessible. General Motors introduced the Hydromatic transmission in the 1940 Oldsmobile, marking the beginning of the automatic transmission era, which gained widespread popularity in the 1950s. 3. Seat belts. Though now a standard safety feature, the introduction of seat belts was revolutionary. This simple strap drastically reduced fatalities and injuries in accidents. Niels Bohlin, an engineer at Volvo, invented the three-point seat belt in 1959. Volvo then became the first car manufacturer to equip its cars with this life-saving technology as standard. 4. Fuel injection. Replacing carburetors with fuel injection systems marked a significant leap. Cars became more efficient and powerful, setting new standards for performance and fuel economy. Mechanical direct fuel injection was first used in the Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing in 1954, marking a significant leap forward in efficiency and performance. 5. Disc brakes. Replacing drum brakes, disc brakes improved safety by reducing stopping distances and performing better under wet conditions. First introduced by Jaguar in the C-Type racing car for the 1953 Le Mans, disc brakes improved safety by reducing stopping distances, especially under wet conditions. 6. Air conditioning. Initially a luxury, air conditioning soon became a staple, transforming the driving experience in warmer climates. Packard introduced the first air-conditioned car in 1940, but it was in the 1950s that this feature began to gain popularity, transforming the driving experience in warmer climates. 7. Highway hi-fi. Music on the go changed with the highway hi-fi system, allowing drivers to enjoy their favorite tunes, a precursor to today's infotainment systems. Chrysler offered the first car record player, the Highway Hi-Fi, in its 1956 models, bringing a new level of entertainment to the driving experience. 8. Radial tires. The shift to radial tires offered cars better handling, fuel efficiency, and durability, a significant upgrade over the bias-ply tires of the past. Michelin developed radial tire technology in 1946, but it was in the 1950s that radial tires began to replace bias-ply tires, offering better handling, fuel efficiency, and durability. 9. Hardtop convertibles. Blending the best of both worlds, hardtop convertibles offered the sleek look of a coupe with the option for an open roof, combining style with versatility. The 1957 Ford Fairlane Skyliner was the first to offer a retractable hardtop, combining the style of a coupe with the open-air experience of a convertible. 10. Cruise control. Introduced to make long drives more comfortable, cruise control was a step towards the autonomous technologies we see emerging today. Invented by Ralph Teeter, a blind inventor, cruise control was first introduced by Chrysler in the 1958 models as autopilot, making long drives more comfortable and fuel-efficient. As we cruise back to the present, it's clear that the 1950s weren't just about tailfins and the technologies introduced in this era laid the groundwork for the innovations we see in today's vehicles. From the safety and convenience of power steering and seat belts to the efficiency of fuel injection and radial tires, the 1950s were truly a turning point in automotive history. So the next time you buckle up, change gears, or set your cruise control, remember the revolutionary decade that made it all possible. The 1950s were not just a step but a giant leap forward in the automotive journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.